Today we are going to Kawaii-fy my room, so let's do that. I was looking at this portion of my room and I was thinking I really need to put some stuff maybe here and in this area. I also have this really nice blank wall here, but I just bought a projector. This bad boy right here, I just bought him, so we're gonna try him out today. I think that will be really cute. Probably the cutest part of my apartment right now, but it's a little bit messy. Actually, everything's a little bit messy, so I'm gonna clean up that as well so that we get a full makeover. Everything? I think I have everything. Check. Headphones, wallet, purse. Okay, good. So, I'm putting on my shoes right now and we are heading out to the store. Let's go. Okay, we're at Daiso and they have their summer stuff out. What's this? Oh my gosh, it's a wind chime. It's so cute, but I don't need it. But I do need this. This is super cute and I'm gonna hang this in my room. And these are also so cute. I don't know what I'm gonna do with it, but I'm gonna get one. Also, this mirror, so cute. I also need some nail polish, so I'm gonna pick that up. And oh my gosh, they have hair dye here. I don't know if I'd trust Daiso hair dye. Anyway, I think I'm gonna go with a pink and white color scheme, so I gotta pick up some pink ribbon. And these hooks will be perfect for displaying all of my bags. Actually, I have a lot of bags, so I'm gonna get these hooks too. They hang right on your door. And oh my gosh, look at this! So this is such a cute hook. I'm always surprised by how much cute stuff that Daiso actually has. Like, it's so cute and so cheap. Oh, I also need to pick up some snacks too. They have some of the best nuts here. I actually bought more stuff, so I'm gonna show you all that when we get home. Here's everything I got. It was only 2,500 yen, which is really cheap. I got this cute little rug. I think I'm gonna put this in the bathroom. It may be by my bed, I'm not sure yet. I got a mirror. It wants me to drill it into the wall, but I think it'd be better to use some ribbon to tie it up. We'll first try with the ribbon, and if the ribbon doesn't work out, we'll do something else. Ooh, pretty. First things first, I'm gonna apply this hook, and then I'm going to tie this mirror up with some ribbon, and then just cut off the ends. And it looks pretty cute. I also added these sakura to the top. Okay, next we're gonna work on the hooks. So I have this door hook, and I'm gonna hang some cute stuff on it. I might change that around a little bit. Whoa! I'm really excited to hang up all my bags. I think I'm gonna do it above my couch. Okay, so I put it in with the adhesive and I think it's okay. I think it's straight too. So now we're gonna try to hang some bags on it and see if it actually works. Okay, here's the first bag. It looks pretty good. Here, let's put some more stuff on it. Okay, it seems pretty sturdy. And see what I did? I put this two-sided tape on the top and then I'm just hiding it with some flowers. I think it will look really cute from like a little bit farther away though. Okay, and this is this area now. I think it's really cute. Next, I'm hanging the little Japanese pink cloth, but I don't think it looks good there. So I actually decided to move it right over here and I put a little bow on it. So I think that's really cute. I love this little heart hanger. I want to put it right here and then display all my necklaces on it. I actually love how like cute and dainty this is. I have some nice Disney enamel pins, so I'm putting them up here. Next, I got this thing. It's super cute. Let's open that up too. Ooh. Okay, it's a suction cup. So let's see where we're gonna put this. Let's put my little Kirby thing somewhere. I think it will go perfectly right here. And then I can hang the little Kirby washcloth from it. Yeah, I think that's cute. So taking some of like my pink keychains and just kind of like hanging them on stuff. Put my little My Melody keychain up here. Cute. Keychain right here. Since I have a lot of hooks left and I have 3 of these Sanrio Pureland ears, I think I'm gonna try to hang them up on this wall over here. I thought these looked really amazing next to this, like very cohesive colors, pink and white. If I add the yellow in, I think it's gonna be a bit weird. I'm gonna cut it out for now. I'm just trying to organize these shelves. I have a lot of stuff to put on it, so let's try. Okay, and here here's what it looks like. Okay, next I'm trying to make a cute DIY. So first I'm gonna use this chunky ribbon to make a big bow. And then I'm gonna keep the ends of the bow super long so that I can do something with it. Wait, let me show you. Just putting some cute hair clips on it, like this one. Here it is with some cute clips on it. I also added this one here and my little Tamagotchi too. Kinda like how extra this corner is right by my desk. So here's the room so far. It's so cute. Tomorrow we'll add even more cute stuff. Hey guys, it's the next day and yesterday I wasn't completely satisfied with how things turned out. I thought the walls were still a little bare. I wanted to give it like an extra oomph. So today I went to 7-Eleven and I got a bunch of photos. I printed them. I really recommend going on Pinterest and maybe printing out some photos. You can always find really cool artwork. And it's a really cheap and easy way to get some decorations for your house, if you're on a budget. I'm taking this double-sided sticky tape and putting it on both sides and then hanging it. Okay, and now here is the final look. After adding all the photos, it added so much to the room. Now my room is so much more interesting than before. And it's so pretty during the day and at night. I love the projector so much. It's so cute. In the comments, please let me know if you found this video helpful or if you tried any of the DIYs. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed my room tour and I will see you next time. Bye!